Various groups with various identities but similar aims and objective of working and mobilizing massively for Asuwaju Setima's candidacy with well-organized structures across Nigeria paid a courtesy visit to the Secretary of the Presidential Campaign Council, Honorable James Abiodun Faliki, to solidify and make known their support for Tinubu Setima's victory in the forthcoming election. The groups, which include Resound Tinubu Vanguard, APC 360, Northern Decampees Progressive Alliance for Tinubu Shetima, and their coordinators gave a resounding assurance of their support towards the 2023 general election.
I was in NNPP at the State Treasurer of Sokoto State, and I decided to decamp to APC just because I want Bola Ahmad Tunibu to be the president of this country. Ahmed Tunibu, if you can look at the history, did a lot to Hausa or Ariwa, I can say, because he stand by Buhari, and Buhari became what he is today. When I went to them and I talked to them about the importance of going with Tunibu, all of them, they accepted the idea.
This is our home. We decided to stay back and work with our candidate, the presidential candidate, to see how we can build a better future for Nigeria.
We must give him our support. We must canvass for him. We must come together and see how we make sure that, inshallah, by the special grace of God, we become President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
We know gold, silver, you have it to give, but that's not what brought us here. We come here to bring value to the table. We come here to see we can add our own quota to ensure that what we believe in, what we trust in, at least becomes